So I picked up this new TELESIN power suction cup mount with phone clip. Listen, it'll hold an action camera. It's a suction mount to attach in my vehicle. And so let's open up this box, see how it is. I do intend to use it for my phone, but at the same time, if I can use my action camera on it, that'll be cool too. So here we go. We got the first piece out, 1/4 attachment. Here we've got the phone mount, nice hard plastic. Feels kind of strong too. We've got the actual suction cup right here. We'll take that off once we get out into the car. This is their version of a magic arm. So this is plastic. Now I've seen other suction cup mounts where this is metal, but this is plastic. It's going to operate the same way. You got a ball head here that rotates, a ball head here that rotates, and then this right here will lock it up into place. And here we can see we got our switch for the back, and that'll switch into the front. Yep, there you go. There's your instruction manual, as well as some cleaning wipes. Listen. All right, so to get started here, we are going to tear apart this wipe. Go ahead and wipe down this window. I'm sure you could use whatever your favorite cleaner is, but we're gonna go ahead and use the pads here. This is gonna go right into this area right here. Use only on smooth, flat, regular surface, common sense, and then make sure the area is clean. We just did that. So we're gonna peel that off like so. We're gonna open that up. Now you can see here, you have the attachment for the action camera. This is the piece that we pulled out first. This is the 1/4 piece that you can put into your phone holder, whether you want it horizontal, whether you want it vertical. So we're gonna line it up right there like that, push it in, and then hit that up. And then this ball head here, with this, you can position this however you need it to fit. Let's take our mobile phone, and there we go. All right, so now we got our phone in here like this, and if you wanted to change the orientation of the phone, you can do that too by simply unscrewing this, screwing it in that way, and then just adjusting the ball head. Now I've got the phone up here, so if I want that nice up and down vertical look, there it is. As you can see, it can accommodate even the larger phones. This is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it fit into the phone case just fine. So after riding around with it for a few hours, I tell you what, this thing is solid, man. It doesn't shake. It's holding good. It's holding steady and holding strong. So I think this is going to be a really good product, phone holder